We need new antibiotics, but bringing a new antibiotic to market is so expensive that very few companies have done that. I like to say that, the pharmaceutical industry, and I go to trade association meetings and sit in a lot of UN, WHO meetings, and there's whole ideas of priority medicines. What are the ones that we need? And the ones for neglected tropical diseases, we have soil-transmitted helminths and worms and other things that do a lot of damage for kids. But we can't even get simple medicines to all those people. So we need new antibiotics, but bringing a new antibiotic to market is so expensive that very few companies have done that. So what ends up happening is companies make decisions based upon a market. For the most part, with the exception of some countries, most of the pharmaceutical research are multinational pharmaceutical companies based in the developed world. So they look at where are places where we might be able to, one, be successful to bring something to market, and two, have a population that could use it. It would be great to say that, I think mental health is a very important area, and Johnson & Johnson has a long history in mental health with Paul Janssen, who basically founded many of the atypical antipsychotics, anti-epileptics, and pain medicines and so forth. So Johnson & Johnson has a legacy there and will continue to work in that area. But that doesn't mean that other areas aren't important, and where the diabetes drug and what we call the endocrine and metabolic area is new to Johnson & Johnson, and it's been a big strategic move to have to invest in that, because it's not just bringing the drug to the FDA and getting it approved and then getting it to docs. As you know, the system also works where you need sales force and other people, so it's a lot more complex than it might seem in just in the laboratory.